Hi, it's Mary Beth. I'm here in my kitchen science lab so that we can do our first science experiment together. I'm going to show you how it works and what you need, and then you can do it on your own at your house. So this is like the bag that you got your science kit in. We're going to need some things from that. We need 7 of the clear plastic cups. You line them up like this on a table or a countertop. Probably would be good to put them in a place where they can sit for a while, where you won't need to use that area for a while, because this experiment starts working right away, but it keeps working over several hours and even a whole day. Okay, so you're also going to need your food coloring, and different people got different colors, and that's totally cool. It's going to work no matter what colors you got. You need some water, and I have a pitcher of water here. So you want to make sure you have some water, and then you need your paper towels. Okay, we're ready to go. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put about 3/4 cups of water into every other plastic cup. So we'll start on this end, and you really don't have to measure, but you want to put about the same amount in every other cup. So you just kind of watch. You can get somebody to help you with this, so you get about the right amounts. It is not something you need to be completely perfect on, because it's going to work no matter what. Okay, let me look here. I think I need a little more in here, a little more over here. And that looks pretty good. I'm going to put my pitcher over here. Next, I'm going to take one color. If you have yellow or something yellowish, you might want to do that. And we're going to put about 5 drops or a squirt if you have gel food coloring in. There we go. That's about 3 squirts. And then I'm going to put about the same amount, 3 squirts down here. And I forgot something else that I need, something to stir with. So I'm going to magically get something to stir with. Woo! There it is. So you can make sure you have that before you start. I'm going to stir it up. Okay, I'm going to take another color. I'm going to pick this color. And I'm just going to put that into one of the other cups. Stir it up. Ooh, that's a pretty color. And one other color is going to go in here. I'm getting a little food coloring on my fingers, but it washes out with soap and water. All right. Now I'm ready to use my paper towels. And you'll notice that each paper towel is already folded into thirds. We're going to fold it over one more time. And then we're going to place one end of it into that cup and one end into the empty cup next to it. Take another towel, fold it, place one end into the empty cup and one end into the water cup, and on down the line. Keep the cups right next to each other. I hope you like this music that my assistant helps pick out. And last one. Here. All right, so the name of this activity is called Rainbow Walking Water, and it might already be happening. Let's take a look. Do you notice what's happening to the water in your different cups? It's walking up the paper towel, and eventually it's going to go all the way down and fill up the empty cups. It's really cool. Now, why does this happen? How does this happen? Besides being super cool, how does that water walk up that towel? It's actually going up. Usually water goes down because of gravity, right? Well, this is something called capillary action. Capillary action. Capillary might be a familiar word. We have capillaries in our bodies. They're very small veins that our blood moves through. But capillary action is something that enables a liquid to travel in the opposite direction of gravity or any other opposing force. So it kind of seems like magic, but it's actually science. The fibers in the paper towel are drawing that water up, and the capillary action is causing it to walk across the paper towels. Now, it already looks super cool, but after maybe 20 minutes or so, if you come back and look at it, it will have walked even further. After about an hour, if you come back, it will have walked even further, and it might even be filling the empty cups. You can leave this here as long as you want and see what happens. Eventually, the empty cups will fill up just to the point where they all have the same amount of water, and you will have different colors in these cups. So it's a science experiment, but also it's an art experiment, because then you will see what happens when this color and this color blend together. You'll see what new color you get. Remember, sometimes we worked with the primary colors, and we know that red and blue make purple. So you're going to get to see some of that going on too. So leave the experiment up as long as you want. If you want to take some pictures of it, and maybe sometime you can show us your pictures. And then when it's time for you to clean up your experiment, what I usually do is kind of pick up the towels and squeeze them out a little bit, and then carefully take each cup over and pour it in the sink. Or you can pour them all into a bigger container and see what color you get too, just for fun. So after you're done and you cleaned all up, this might even be like tomorrow or the next day, we want to save these supplies for use in future science experiments. We're going to keep building your science kit and sending home more things that have to do with science and art. And so you can keep these supplies in a special spot, and we'll use them again later. So thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to hear about your experiments and how they went, and maybe see pictures. And I'm going to take some pictures of mine after I get after that's been sitting here for a longer time. So have fun with your rainbow rocking water, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.